Hi, my name is Joe Martin with Allegiance Home Health. I am the co-owner and a physical therapist, and as we go into the fall season, I would like to discuss ways that we could reduce our risk for falls. Number one, how about we identify environmental factors? Environmental factors are 1/3 of all falls. Things like tripping hazards, wet surfaces on the floor, just low lighted areas at night. We can help you identify those environmental hazards. And number two, let's strengthen your lower legs. We've seen multiple studies that have shown a correlation between strong lower extremities and the reduced risk for falls. If you or a loved one would like to improve your balance and decrease your risk for falls, please call us today. Thank you.